In this video, I'll show you how to test multiple dropshipping products to find a winner. Most people fail in dropshipping not because they can't build a store or launch ads, but because they never really test products the right way. They either stick to outdated research methods or they pick random items with no validation. That means they skip over products that could have made them 5 or even 6 figures. What I want to do here is walk you step by step through the process of using Sell the Trends tools, especially Nexus and Ads Explorer, to validate products before you even spend a single dollar on ads. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to find products that already have demand in the market, test them the smart way, and then double down on the ones with true winning potential. Before we jump into the actual tools, let's quickly break down what makes a product a winner in the first place. First, it needs to solve a real problem. If your product doesn't make someone's life easier, more fun, or more efficient, it's not going to stick. Second, it needs to have a healthy profit margin. You're running ads, so you need space between cost and selling price to stay profitable. Third, it should have a unique selling point, something that makes it stand out and creates a wow factor. And finally, if the product fits into a passionate niche, like pets, fitness, or beauty, it naturally has higher chances of converting because people in these niches are emotionally invested. Keep those 4 attributes in mind because every tool inside Sell the Trend is designed to help you identify them. Before we dive into the dashboard, let me quickly mention that I've dropped a special link for you in the description. If you use that link to sign up, you can try Sell the Trend for 14 days for completely free. It's a really affordable way to test everything out without committing right away. The sign-up process is super simple. Just click the link, enter your basic details like name, email, and password, and you're in. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll land right on the dashboard. Let's head into the dashboard of Sell the Trend. Once you're inside, you'll see a range of tools, but the one I like to start with is Nexus. Nexus is basically the brain of Sell the Trend. It uses AI and live market data to surface products that are actually trending in real time. Think of it as your shortcut to finding what's hot before the mass market catches on. For example, if you're in the fashion niche, you can simply filter Nexus to only show you trending fashion items. Right away, you'll see product images, titles, and more importantly, the research data you need. Things like cost, selling price, potential profit margin, number of orders, and even graphs that show whether orders are increasing or flatlining. That's crucial because you don't just want a product that's sold well in the past, you want one that's actively climbing right now. One of the features I love inside Nexus is the ability to filter by location. Let's say you want to focus on the US market. You can select United States sourcing, which means Nexus will only show you products that have local suppliers. This is a massive advantage because faster shipping and lower costs almost always lead to higher conversion rates. Nobody wants to wait 25 days for an item to arrive from overseas. So if you can cut that delivery time to 3 to 5 days by using local suppliers, you instantly stand out against competitors. Once you apply that filter, every product you see can be sourced locally, which makes scaling way smoother. Nexus also gives you quick filters for trending products, high-order products, and high-profit margin products. If you're just starting out, I recommend using the high-profit margin filter. Here's why. When you're new, your ad campaigns won't be perfectly optimized yet. That means you'll waste some money on testing. But if you're testing products that give you $40 or $50 profit per sale, you can afford those early losses and still come out profitable once the campaign dials in. On the other hand, if you test products with only $10 margins, a few mistakes will wipe out your budget. So filtering by high profit margin protects you as a beginner. Now let's talk about the trending and high order filters. A trending filter shows you what's hot right now. Products with growing engagement and sales. This is where you can catch the next viral product before the competition floods in. The high order filter, on the other hand, shows you proven products with tons of existing sales. These are a little more competitive, but they give you peace of mind because you know they already work. A smart approach is to test a mix. 1 or 2 trending products that are just starting to blow up, and 1 or 2 proven products with thousands of orders. That way, you're diversifying your tests instead of putting all your budget on one unproven idea. Another hidden gem inside Nexus is the ability to create custom filters. Let's say you don't just want high profit margins, you also want products trending in Australia or Canada. You can stack filters together and build your own research formula. For example, filter for trending products, US suppliers, and profit margins above $30. That instantly cuts out the noise and leaves you with a curated list of products that are not only trending, but also profitable and fast to ship. Once you've found some candidates in Nexus, the next step is validating them further. Don't just take Nexus's word for it, cross-check demand. That's where Ads Explorer comes in, which we'll cover in the next section. But for now, you can already start seeing how Nexus cuts your product testing time in half. Instead of scrolling aimlessly through TikTok or AliExpress, you're using AI-powered filters and real-time data to pick products with actual demand signals. That means when you finally run your ads, you're not guessing, you're stacking the odds in your favor. Another tool you can explore while still inside the Nexus ecosystem is hand-picked winners. These are products manually selected by the Sell the Trend team. If you're brand new and overwhelmed by all the data, this is a great starting point because experts have already done the research for you. Each product page comes with the selling price, supplier link, product description, even marketing videos you can use. You'll also see insights about demand, potential issues, competitor stores, and available suppliers. It's basically plug and play. Pick a product, push it to your store, and you're ready to test. For busy beginners or people who don't want to spend hours researching, this shortcut is invaluable. Now it's time to move on to the third method, and this one is all about spy tools. These are some of the most powerful features inside Sell the Trend, because they let you look directly into what your competitors are doing. It's like having X-ray vision into their stores, their best-selling products, their revenue, and even the apps and themes they're using. So let's break it down. Inside Sell the Trend, you'll find 2 main spy tools, Store Intelligence and Niche Spy. Let's start with Store Intelligence. Imagine you're scrolling on social media and you come across a competitor running an ad for a product you're interested in. Maybe it's a store that looks clean and has great engagement, but you're not really sure if they're actually making sales. What you can do is copy the link to their store, paste it into Store Intelligence, and instantly get a breakdown of how that store is performing. You'll see their monthly traffic, estimated revenue, average order value, and even which marketing channels they're relying on, whether it's organic, paid ads, referrals, or social. But my favorite part is that Store Intelligence doesn't stop there. It also shows you the store's best-selling products and the latest products they've added. That means you're not just guessing about what works, you can see exactly what's bringing in sales for them. And it gets even better. Store Intelligence also reveals the apps and themes the store is using. For example, you might see that a competitor is using Debutify or another premium Shopify theme. You can even check which tracking apps or size chart apps they've installed. Why does this matter? Because it gives you clues on how they're optimizing conversions and improving the customer experience. Once you know what works for them, you can implement similar tools in your own store. Now let's say you've found a store with a product you really like. Inside Store Intelligence, you can connect that product directly to an AliExpress supplier. All you do is click Find Supplier, and Sell the Trend will search AliExpress for the exact same product. From there, you can review different suppliers, compare their pricing, shipping times, ratings, and order counts, then choose the best one. Once you've identified a few strong candidates inside Nexus, the next step is to validate them further with Ads Explorer. This tool gives you access to real ads currently running on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The reason this matters is simple. If other sellers are spending money to advertise a product right now, it's a strong sign that there's active demand in the market. Inside Ads Explorer, you can search for ads by typing in keywords related to the product you just found in Nexus. For example, if Nexus highlighted a trending pet grooming brush, you can type in pet brush and instantly see live ads connected to that product. You'll notice details like when the ad was launched, the engagement it's getting, and whether it's still running today. High engagement means people are not just noticing the ad, they're interacting with it, which signals genuine interest. And if an ad has been active for weeks or even months, that usually means it's profitable for the seller. The real advantage here is that Ads Explorer also lets you click through to the actual store running the ad. This gives you a behind-the-scenes look at their product page, their pricing, and the way they're marketing. When you combine this information with the sales data from Nexus, you're no longer guessing. You're choosing products with both market data and proof of real advertising dollars behind them. That way, by the time you launch your own campaigns, you're already working with products that have been validated from 2 different angles. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. If you want to try Sell the Trend yourself, I've left a special link in the description. By using that link, you can get full access for 14 days for completely free. It's the easiest way to test everything I've shown you today and see how powerful these tools really are.